Navigating dental crown costs, Europe vs. Turkey. Dental crowns are a common dental procedure used to restore damaged or decayed teeth. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on the country you are in. In this article, we will explore the differences in dental crown costs between Europe and Turkey. Europe, high costs, quality care. In Europe, dental crown costs can be quite high due to the high cost of living and labor. The average cost of a dental crown in Europe can range from A500 to A1000 per tooth, depending on the material used and the complexity of the procedure. This high cost can be prohibitive for many patients, especially those without dental insurance. However, it is important to note that the quality of dental care in Europe is generally very high. European dentists are highly trained and skilled professionals who use state-of-the-art technology and materials to provide top-notch care to their patients. This level of expertise and quality assurance can justify the higher cost of dental crowns in Europe. Turkey, affordable prices, quality care. On the other hand, Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for dental tourism due to its affordable prices and high-quality care. The average cost of a dental crown in Turkey can be as low as A200 to A400 per tooth, making it a much more affordable option for patients looking to save money on their dental care. Despite the lower cost, the quality of dental care in Turkey is not compromised. Turkish dentists are also highly trained and skilled professionals who are able to provide top-notch care using modern technology and materials. Many dental clinics in Turkey are equipped with the latest advancements in dentistry, ensuring that patients receive the same level of care as they would in Europe. Factors to consider when choosing between Europe and Turkey. When considering where to get your dental crowns, there are a few factors to keep in mind. Firstly, you should consider the overall cost of the procedure, including travel and accommodation expenses. While dental crowns may be cheaper in Turkey, the cost of travel and accommodation can add up, making the overall cost similar to what you would pay in Europe. Secondly, you should consider the reputation and credentials of the dental clinic you choose. Look for clinics that have positive reviews and testimonials from previous patients, as well as certifications from reputable dental organizations. This will ensure that you receive high-quality care and achieve the best possible results. Lastly, consider the level of communication and language barriers that may exist. If you do not speak the local language in Turkey, it may be more challenging to communicate with your dentist and understand the treatment plan. In this case, choosing a clinic that offers services in English or your native language may be a better option. In conclusion, when navigating dental crown costs in Europe vs. Turkey, it is important to weigh the pros and cons of each option. While Europe may offer high-quality care, it comes at a higher cost. On the other hand, Turkey provides affordable prices without compromising on quality. By considering factors such as overall cost, reputation of the clinic, and communication barriers, you can make an informed decision on where to get your dental crowns.